Good morning, I'm at the bus station, ready for my bus to Melaka. I'm in a 7-Eleven just grabbing some lunch, got a late start for today. Because it's Chinese New Year, everywhere is super busy, like crazy busy. So wrong decision to travel today, but can't help it, the bus is booked, I'm on my way, so let's go. Okay, so I'm on the bus. It's quite nice actually, pretty good. I'll probably catch you on there, not a lot to film then. Just got off the bus. And I've got to get on a second bus because the taxi to where I wanted to go was like 20 quid and I don't have 20 quid to spend on a taxi, so on to the second bus, let's go. Okay, so I've made it to my hostel. I'll be completely honest, it's a bit of a hell. The problem is it's Chinese New Year tomorrow, so everywhere is fully booked up. It's now like 5 PM, so I'm gonna go and grab some food now. So I've grabbed something to eat, I'm now back in the dorm room. This is what it looks like. It's probably the worst place I've stayed in so far, which is a shame. Okay, so I've just got back from the night market and I got conned into buying these. Now what these are is you light the tip of them, put them in your ear and lie down, and they're meant to draw all of the earwax out and make your hearing better. It cost me £1, I don't know whether it will work, but I think it might be quite funny, so let's try it now. Okay, here goes nothing. What the f***, it's like a flamethrower. Wait, I'm so scared, I don't genuinely...
If not fall on you.
You can fall?
Maybe later, I don't know.
Oh really? Okay. So that's done. I think you gotta wait for it to cool down and then you unravel it and see what was inside your ear. I don't know. Okay, so apparently if we unravel this now, what's inside was what is in my ear. No way. Absolutely. What the f***? There's no way, that is disgusting. I'm not going to bore you with doing the other one, I'll just show you what comes out at the end. So let's crack on to that one. So this is my left ear. Oh you that's hot. It's like opening a Christmas present. Oh here it comes. This one's a different colour, oh no it's...
Oh yeah, wow. They were much more than the other ones.
What?
Yeah, much more. Beautiful.
That has all come out of my ear. Oh. Well,
story to tell.
that's gonna do it for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.